Are you tired of unauthorized invoices slipping through? Learn how to set up transaction approvals in Zoho Books in under 2 minutes. First, access Settings and navigate to Invoicing. Then, see how to configure simple approval and multi-level approval rules. Start by opening Zoho Books. Then, click on the Setting icon. Now, click on Invoices. Then, click on Approvals. Next, click on Simple Approval. Then, click on the checkbox to configure the approval settings. Finally, click on Multi-Level Approval. You've now set up transaction approval in Zoho Books. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.